Hi, I'm Billy Garcia. I've lived in Cheyenne since 1980. I was born in Laramie, Wyoming. We moved to California, then we moved back here in 1980. I love Cheyenne. I grew up here. Going to school, our schools were a lot more mellow here than California. We didn't have gangs, we didn't have anything. We were able to relax and to grow up right. My parents took us hunting and fishing and showed us the outdoors, camping, and I love that aspect about Wyoming. I stayed here because I wanted my family to experience the outdoors like I did, you know, to have a chance that we wouldn't have had in California. We love to fish, ski, hunt, go to the park like today. Cheyenne puts on a beautiful 4th of July, and it was just so good to be able to learn something in school instead of be on guard. And that's what I want from my family, and that's what attracted me to Cheyenne. We have a home here, we work here steady, and I love it.